press is here, and they're all wonderful people. I don't know why they don't like me a lot more.
Bien. Don Corleone. Necesito un hombre.
I don't know why they don't like me a lot more than Trump. About you guys, man. That's a joke. I'm kidding. I shouldn't even be kidding with you. Shouldn't even be. I'll pay a price for having said that.
Tudo bem. Uma policial que nunca vai atacar ninguém.
Não tem como reprimir o desejo para sempre, Miguel.
A million new jobs, that's good, but it doesn't really connect yet to people, even though they're benefiting from it. I'm dead! Inflation down from 9% to 3%, 800,000 manufacturing jobs, 800,000 manufacturing jobs. But my dad used to have an expression. He said, Joey, job's about a lot more than...
I could do that.
All right, wait. Last thing. I'm also gonna need that extended warranty on it for the price of...
Check. It's about your integrity. It's about your dignity. It's about being able to look your kid in the eye and saying it's going to be okay.
Somewhere deep down in my heart, I still love you.